All right, so we are looking at art criticism number 4. This is the art criticism of the work by Jan van Eyck. So when we fill in the title, artist, and date, the title is Portrait of a Man. The artist is Jan van Eyck, and the date it was created in was 1433. This is a self-portrait, actually, of the artist Jan van Eyck. While you are typing those 3 things in, go ahead and pause me and unpause when you are ready for the describe box. And let's describe the things we see. I'm only going to have you describe 3 things that you see in this artwork. I want you to take note of different textures, different colors, and that kind of stuff as well, because obviously it's just a picture of a man on a dark background, so there's not quite as many things to describe as some other artworks. While you are writing out those 3 bullet points, go ahead and pause me and unpause when you are ready for analyze. Okay, for analyze, we are going to talk about color and texture. For color, I want you to tell me what types of color are mostly in this picture. There's a specific type of color that we talked about in our notes yesterday. Refer back to those notes, flip through, figure out which one it is that is mostly in this picture. The vast majority of this painting has mostly these colors. And then I would like you to do, for texture, I want you to describe the different textures that you see in this picture. There are several different textures, and I want you to tell me where you see those textures. So not just, I see wrinkle texture, it should be, I see wrinkle texture in his face. And name at least 3 textures that you see in this painting. While you are doing that, go ahead and pause me and unpause when you have finished those 2 sentences and are ready for the interpret box. Okay, for interpret, we talked yesterday about selfies and why artists tend to take pictures of themselves or paint pictures of themselves. I want you to take a guess as to why Jan van Eyck chose to show himself like this. I will give you a hint. Red turbans like this are not a fashion statement at the time. This was an absolute choice, and it was a weird one. So I want you to come up with a reason of, like, why would he do that? What does it show that he would want to be showing off in this selfie? While you write that up, go ahead and pause me and unpause me when you are ready for judgment. Okay, in the judgment box, we're going to look back at those 3 theories, imitationalism, formalism, and emotionalism. You're going to pick one of these 3 to discuss the artwork. So imitationalism, does this look like real life? Formalism, are the elements of art and the art techniques used well? Or emotionalism, does it make you feel something? If you answered yes to those things, then that would be successful. If the answer is no, then it's unsuccessful. Make sure you give me a reason why. Once you've finished one of those, then you're ready to submit on Schoology, and you are all set with this art criticism.